Lust is one of the strongest traps for the human mind. It steals your focus, your discipline, and your energy. The more you give in, the weaker you feel. But here's one real method to kill lust and take back control. Replace the craving with action. When the urge hits, don't sit there and fight with your thoughts. That only makes it stronger. Instead, move your body. Drop down and do push-ups. Go for a short walk. Take a cold shower. Journal your thoughts. Action breaks the loop. Your brain can't hold on to lust when your body is in motion. The secret is to rewire your brain. Lust is just misplaced energy, and energy can always be redirected. Channel it into your goals, your workouts, your studies, your craft. Every time you act instead of giving in, you train your brain to find strength in discipline, not weakness in impulse. And remember this, lust only controls you when you stay still. The moment you move, you win. So next time it tries to pull you in, don't argue with it, don't overthink. Just act. That's how you kill lust and build unstoppable control over your mind.